Hello everybody, welcome to this Affiliatable tutorial for beginners in 2024. Today, I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about Affiliatable. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. You can sign up for Affiliatable by using the link in the description. Now, let's get started. Affiliatable is a website that allows you to create comparison tables and product boxes that convert. When you first open up the website, you are presented with the dashboard. The dashboard gives you an overview of the information such as how many websites, tables, product boxes, versus boxes, total posts, ratings, top 3 boxes, and pros and cons accordions you have. It also shows whether you're using the Pro version. Additionally, it provides information on installation and integration with platforms such as WordPress and other CMS systems. You can copy the code for these integrations directly from the dashboard. On the left taskbar, you will see options to create different elements like comparison tables, top 3 boxes, pros and cons boxes, and product boxes. Let's start by creating a comparison table. Click on Comparison Table and then click on Add to create a new table. You will be prompted to enter the website you want to create the table for, a title for the table, and select a theme style. For example, let's select google.com as the website, name the table Google, and choose Table 1 style. After saving, you will see your new table appear. You can open the table to view it. The table will include columns for the image of the item, the product name, features of the product, and the price of the product. To add a product to the table, click on Add Product. You will need to enter the title, feature title, link to the product, a score from 1 to 10, a description, and the URL for the image. Once you have added the products, you can compare them based on their features and prices. This is useful for comparing similar products in the same category. You also have the option to edit styles such as color, schema, disclosure, column headings, buttons, and product settings. Additionally, you can switch between mobile, tablet, and desktop views to see how the table looks on different devices. You can get a table shortcode and a sidebar code for embedding the table on your website. Next, let's move on to product boxes. Click on Product Boxes and then Add to create a new product box. Enter the website and a title and select a theme style. For instance, use google.com again, name it Google, and select Box 2 style. After saving, open the product box to edit it. You can fetch product details using the built-in ASIN feature or manually enter the title, link, image URL, and other details. The product box will display the product's details, rating, and any additional information you've entered. Pros and cons boxes work similarly. Click on Pros and Cons boxes, then Add to create a new box. Enter the pros title and cons title and save it. This type of box is useful for highlighting the advantages and disadvantages of a particular product or service. Top 3 boxes are also similar in setup. Click on Top 3 boxes and then Add to create one. Enter the website and title and choose a theme style. After saving, open the box to see the different layout options. You can display the top 3 products with their ratings, features, and prices. This is useful for showcasing your top recommendations. The Versus boxes allow you to compare 2 products side by side. Click on Versus boxes, then Add to create a new one. Enter the website and title and choose a theme style. After saving, open the box to compare 2 products. This layout highlights the differences between the 2 products, making it easier for your audience to decide which one to choose. The Websites section is where you add the websites for the products you want to promote. Click on Add to enter a new website. You can also connect it with the Amazon API by entering your affiliate tag, country, and other details. This integration allows you to automatically fetch product details and track your affiliate earnings. The Categories section lets you organize your products into different categories. Click on Add to create a new category. This helps you keep your products organized and makes it easier for your audience to find what they are looking for. Affiliatable also offers an affiliate program. If you become a user, you can join the affiliate program and earn commissions by referring others to the platform. This can be a great way to offset your costs or even generate some extra income. Finally, if you need any help, you can access the support section. Here you will find resources and contact information to assist you with any issues you might encounter. Now, let's talk about the pricing plans offered by Affiliatable. Affiliatable offers a range of pricing plans to accommodate different user needs, from beginners to more advanced users. Here is an overview of the pricing plans available in 2024. First, let's talk about the free plan. This plan is perfect for beginners who are just starting out and want to try out the basic features of Affiliatable without any financial commitment. You can sign up for the free plan using the link in the description. This plan is great for getting a feel for how Affiliatable works and for smaller websites with fewer products to display. Next, we have the standard plan. This plan is ideal for more serious users who need more features and greater flexibility. The Pro plan includes unlimited tables and boxes, access to all templates, including premium templates for comparison tables, product boxes, pros and cons boxes, and top 3 boxes, Amazon geo-targeting, Amazon API integration, Genius Link API integration, advanced customization options, including color schemes, fonts, and layout adjustments, ability to use Affiliatable on up to 3 websites, priority support. The Pro plan costs $9 per month or $99 per year if billed annually, offering a 2-month discount for annual payments. For businesses and larger websites, there is the Plus plan. This plan is designed for agencies and large businesses that need to manage multiple websites and clients. The Plus plan includes all features of the standard plan, plus ability to use Affiliatable on up to 5 websites, dedicated account manager, white label options for branding the tables and boxes with your own logo and colors, access to advanced analytics and reporting tools, enhanced API access for custom integrations, priority support with faster response times. The Plus plan costs $39 per month or $399 per year if billed annually, also offering a 2-month discount for annual payments. Finally, there is the Ultimate plan. This plan is for very large businesses or agencies with extensive needs. The Ultimate plan includes all features of the Plus plan, 10 websites, customized onboarding and training sessions, custom development support for unique needs, SLA with guaranteed response times, monthly performance reviews and optimization suggestions. The pricing for the Ultimate plan is customized based on the specific requirements of the business. It costs $69 per month or $699 per year if billed annually. In summary, Affiliatable's pricing plans offer a range of options to suit different user needs, from individuals and small businesses to large agencies and enterprises. Affiliatable is a powerful tool for creating comparison tables, product boxes, top 3 boxes, pros and cons boxes, and versus boxes. It's user-friendly and offers a variety of customization options to suit your needs. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced marketer, Affiliatable can help you improve your website's conversion rates by presenting your products clearly and attractively. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Affiliatable for free. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.